This is her favourite, the tutuai. They're not related to the UK robin or the other robins. They just look similar, so they got bundled in. They're about this big. They're very noisy. Tail. They've learned to follow walkers because they pick up insects and invertebrates. So they'll often be following as well. Yes. So that white that's being exposed above the seat there is part of his puffing up to defend himself in case we are trouble. So you'll see that white come and go. And he's saying, watch out, I've got a white bit over my nose. And we're meant to be terrified by that, I think.
Oh,
if you watch this little...
Four or 500 years old.
wow.
Isn't that magnificent? Right on the cliff, look right down
Yeah. And you can see Rangitoto.
there. That's a beautiful one through there, Rangitoto.
Yeah. Through the
It's a
tree.
beautiful shot.
It stopped me here. Yeah.
You can come and stay after.
Yeah.
So this is some of the old forest. It feels really different on this side of the island from where you'll be in the afternoon. But we've got Koromako through the trees, bellbird. Yeah. And this
The trees singing up now. A lot of them playing around. It was amazing.
yeah.
Yeah, they're just a lot of young ones. And
Yeah. And the juveniles don't have territory, so adult Kakako so the juveniles are kind of kicked out into the worst areas, but they'll hang out together and be boisterous until they're airing out. So yeah, occasionally you see them. It could be us, it could be a predator bird around, like a New Zealand falcon is a prey area, but more likely a kahu, or it could just be another bird annoying it. And they don't move a lot in the day.
This is a nice size one, but they can get bigger. And you see the female, it's got this long pointy bit out the back, and that's for...
Would they be just sleeping?
Yeah, probably just hanging out.
Just chilling.
Yeah, just hanging out. Much more active at night.
I think that's
Can you see what they're looking at?
It's a crayfish.
What?
Crayfish. Of that song.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's like, I just love it, like
It's so
forest.
Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it's like just pure, isn't it?
And did you see your panga tree?
This is it?
This is the tree stand.
Purple plum fruits are attracted to birds.
But look at that.
What's the name?
Tarari. Tarari.
I really love this tree. That one. And the pond, and you know, even the roots. Yeah.
That is the Puhutakawa.
Oh, I love Puhukakao, I think.
But look at that beautiful
Oh, yeah. How do you call?
panga.
Panga.
Ponga.
I like the fern.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, I went to fernery in. So amazing.
Isn't that incredible?
This here is amazing. That's like my favorite tree now ever.
Yes.
Wow.
The roots of
Yeah.
amazing.
Oh my god. How old would that tree be?
Rob, would you know the age of this tree?
Buffeted by the winds, so it's very exposed here, and it's wind from pollen, that fruit, and all the insects that live.
Isn't that nice?
I could stay here all day.
See your panga grove up there. 2/3.
This bird is not directly related to anything else. But they're used to old forest, they're cavity nesting and just don't. We'll all look and prize for the person to spot a morepork in a palm tree.
And
During its time in the tree, there may be rain, and if it burrowed straight down,
Morepork.
So
Silver.
go up around the other side. So if you go up that way, the dead rats and die from
right.
It's morepork.